Hello, it's Mr. I'm Royal back again with another BBGun review on the Double Eagle M82 electric fully automatic, and I've lost the box for this. I've had this for a while. It comes with a silencer, suppressor which increases accuracy, a foregrip, battery to basically just connect the battery, just plug it in there. This is the cover for it. You just basically push that wee button in there and it'll just slide off. And the magazine holds about 20 to 25 bullets, BBs actually, and you need a speed loader to load it. It's really hard to load it manually. You press that button there, it'll just come out. So the magazine releases there as well. Just pull it in and slide it out. So fully automatic there, single safety. Stock is foldable. So yeah. Just put this back on now. There. And here's the aim sight. It's a MP5 type gun. It's a good rate of fire as well. Goes for about, don't know how many meters, about 60 meters. That's basically it. I'll be making a shooting video on this tomorrow or maybe the next day. I don't know, whenever I get round to it. So yeah, that's basically it. Oh, I forgot to say about the battery. Battery, charge it for about hour and a half. If it's like kind of warm, that's when it's ready. And don't let it overheat because it'll just break the battery. Charge it for about 2 hours or more, it'll just break the battery. So comes with a wee tub of BBs as well. This is them, the wee red ones. I just put other BBs in there. Use most of them. It uses up quite a lot of ammo, so that's actually quite a small amount for this gun. So yep, like and favourite please, thank you, and I'll be making that shooting video tomorrow or whenever I get round to it. Right.